What's going on, guys? Today we would like to introduce ourselves to our first ever video. My name is Kasim and
my name is Etsham,
and today we have an iPhone XR unboxing video for you guys. So right here is a white/silver iPhone XR 128GB, brand new in its seal, originally bought from Very. I got this for £659. I'll show you people. As you can see, look, 100GB. Obviously, XR right here, and we would like to show you guys and open this seal in front of you for you guys. So yeah,
let's start.
So before breaking the seal, we would like to go through the specs review of the iPhone XR. This iPhone XR in front of me has a 6.1-inch display, and compared to the iPhone XS, the XS has a 5.8-inch display, whereas the XS Max has 6.5-inch display. But I think like this is an ideal size. I mean, the XS costs an extra £150–200 probably, and the XS Max costs around £300–350 more. But I'm not sure. Like, I think if you want to be cost effective, go for the XR. Before breaking the seal, we would like to go through the specs review of the iPhone XR. So the iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch screen display and has an aluminium and glass design finish.
Also, this phone has a single 12-megapixel wide camera, and it has an A12 Bionic chip with a second generation neural engine, and it can last up to an hour and a half longer than an iPhone 8 Plus. This phone is water resistant to a depth of 1 meter for up to 30 minutes, and it has two different storage sizes. It can come to 64GB size and 128. This phone right here we have is 128GB. You can also record your videos in 4K resolution, and you can get 24, 30 or 60 frames per second.
But anyway, we'll open it in front of you for you guys.
So let's start with the unboxing.
So
let's open the seal.
So we'd like to open the seal for you guys. So it's in its seal. So I'll open it.
Go. Keep it low, keep it low.
There we have it. So the seal will come off. There it is. And we'd like to pick it up.
And there you go.
So here's the box. The iPhone designed by Apple in California. And there we have the beauty. Here you go, people. So get the camera. So guys, here is the actual phone itself, as it looks really nice. You've got the aluminium finish at the side and has a glass back panel. So guys, now you have just opened the box and taken the phone out. This iPhone XR comes with the following accessories. So here you have wired earphones. I'll just leave there. And here you have the power adapter, 3-pin plug, charge your phone. And here is obviously the USB to charge your phone.
Alright guys, so now that we've seen all the accessories of this phone and the phone itself, let's turn the phone on and see how it does. While the phone turns on, we'll go through the main differences between this phone and the iPhone XS. So the iPhone XS has a smaller display when compared to the XR, meaning that it has a 5.8-inch display compared to the 6.1 inches display of the XR. The iPhone XS has a 4GB RAM, while the iPhone XR has a 3GB of RAM. Alright guys, so this is the phone. Hope you like the video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, turn the post notifications on, and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.